Acid for breakfast.
Where the fuck are we?
And on the seventh day,
We on some
God did not rest.
Applebee's.
He prepared a feast for the underground. And he served acid for breakfast. While the world sleeps, the underground awakens. And on the seventh day, God did not rest. He prepared a feast for the underground, and he served acid for breakfast.
Yeah, that's how we do it, love.